How to put a YouTube link in your Instagram bio. Are you a YouTuber? Do you want to drive more traffic to your YouTube channel? Instagram is a great platform to promote your videos and gain more subscribers. One way to do that is by putting the link to your YouTube channel in your Instagram bio. Once you have uploaded your video to your YouTube channel, grab your YouTube link. You can find it by opening your video on YouTube, clicking the share button, and copying the link provided. Next, open your Instagram profile. Click on the Edit Profile button. Under your username, see a section labeled Links. Paste your YouTube channel link into the field. Make sure to click Done to save the changes. You can add 5 links to your Instagram bio. A reorder button will appear, and you can easily drag them to the top or bottom of your profile. Be sure your link goes directly to the specific video to ensure that anyone who clicks the link will be taken directly to your YouTube channel video. Instagram links are not private. Even if you have a private account, those links may appear for others to see. Add your YouTube video link to your Instagram bio to promote your videos and gain more subscribers. Read the full blog post by Lisa Sicard at inspiredtothrive.com.